Hi, I'm Gemma Colson, Product Specialist for Specialised Orthotic Services. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a pea-pod. There are three elements to the pea-pod: the beanbag base, the bolster and the seat. Starting with the beanbag base, we recommend you give it a good shake to fluff the beans up before you assemble the pea-pod. The next thing to do is to attach the bolster to the beanbag base. If you can see here, there's a V-shaped Velcro on the actual beanbag base. So you need to line up the Velcro on the bolster to the Velcro on the beanbag base. Now it's time to position the bolster and the base. If you'd like the user to be in a more reclined position, then you want to evenly spread the beans so it's quite flat on top, and then just make a little well for where the seat is going to sit. If you would like the user to be in a more upright position, then it's best to push the beans towards the back of the base, and again creating a little well for the seat. And now it's time to attach the seat. Place the seat in the well that you've made, then using the straps, attach the seat to the base with the Velcro. Before placing anyone in the pea-pod, get the lap straps out of the way by placing them through the flaps on each side. If you want the headrest, don't forget to pop that over as well into position. Once the user is in, you can fasten the lap belt using the clip and tighten it using the straps. And that is how you assemble a pea-pod.